Now I invite our beloved brother from Jordan, Dr. Ali Misha'l. He's part of our conventions many times in past, and he reached Lahore at about 9 a.m. today after spending whole night in traveling, and came straight to our convention instead of taking rest. Professor Ali Misha'l, he is endocrinologist by profession and medical director of Islamic Hospital, Jordan.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. اللهم انصر هذا البلد وهذا الشعب بالإسلام وانصر الإسلام بهم إن شاء الله. I know that our President, Professor Hassan Karman, will talk to you about PIMA. I just want to give you a glimpse of what we are doing in Jordan on behalf of PIMA. In Jordan at these times, we live in the middle of a major political and social storm, all of you are aware of. Never happened in our history, never happened in Islamic history. People are fighting each other over racial or sectarian reasons, and they are killing each other, and they are destroying the social network. But with all that, we in Jordan, on behalf of PIMA, are alhamdulillah achieving some of the objectives of PIMA. And I hope that all of you, or many of you, will come to us in September of this year to attend the 35th Annual Convention of PIMA. There will be a scientific convention titled Medical Dilemmas Secondary to Lifestyle Problems and Environment. It will discuss this concept, which is actually a major problem in all our societies. Lifestyle is causing a lot of problems. So I hope that you will be able to come and participate. There are a lot of things to be seen in Jordan also. On behalf of PIMA, we undertake several projects. One of them, we sponsor training of doctors from Gaza. At any time over the past 6-7 years, we have 60 doctors trained in medical institutions in Jordan to become specialists. And so far, 45 of them have graduated and got their boards in various specialties needed for their society, and they went back to Gaza. Alhamdulillah, with the guidance of Allah, we were able to change the face and the structure of the medical profession in Gaza. 45 specialists. Before that, there was not a single specialist. And every year, we graduate 9 or 10, and 9 or 10 come instead of them to get training. Alhamdulillah, we are collaborating with NGOs in Jordan, and we give them full sponsorship, alhamdulillah. Another project is the PIMA program to protect our youth from AIDS and sexual diseases. We have been doing that over the past 12 or 15 years, and we have a very, very viable team that have conducted training courses all over the Islamic world. and they graduated more than 3,000 local trainers so that the activity will go on by local hands. We also, on behalf of FIMA, we have the FIMA Resource Centers of Bioethics. If you could honor us by coming in September, you will have a chance to visit it. Resources and references in all aspects of bioethics, Islamic bioethics. And also on behalf of FIMA, we published the FIMA yearbook. It is published by FIMA, but it's printed in Jordan. And Jordan being a middle country, we are able to distribute the copies to IMAs and to different countries. As you may know, if you print a journal for about $5,000, for example, you need 10 times that amount to distribute it. But we do it manually, alhamdulillah. People come to Jordan and people come out of Jordan, no problem. We send copies to everybody. Actually, this trip I brought with me a good amount of copies. The last edition of the FIMA yearbook we are waiting on. It is biomedical research, the contemporary situation and Islamic perspectives. Alhamdulillah, it will be ready maybe in a month or two. So that's just a summary of what we are doing. We need your prayers, and hopefully you will honor us by visiting Jordan in September. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.